Welcome to the session. So today I am here to discuss with you polynomial application. So last class I discussed with you how to create a polynomial with a linked list. So today class we want to discuss about how to perform an addition in between two polynomials. So before going to that, first just rewind how to store a polynomial with the linked list representation. So say for suppose this is a one polynomial. So how to store this polynomial? How to store with this polynomial with the linked list representation? First we want to see this, then go for addition of two polynomials. Say suppose we know that linked list having a start pointer, indirectly it means as header. So I am assuming the header address, say 1000. So the first node consists of, so what is the node structure here? Coefficient followed by exponent followed by address of the next node. Coefficient, exponent, after that address of the next node. So what is the coefficient in the first term? Say 5. So 5. What is the exponent? 4. The next node address, say we are assuming as 3020. So this is the 3020 address. So what is the next term? Coefficient 3. Exponent, this is the exponent, say 2. Address of the next node, say 2010. What is the next term? Here, coefficient 1, exponent 1, address of the next node. Say I am assuming as 1020. So the next coefficient 1, exponent, here the exponent is 0. So 0. No other terms, simply null. So this is the way to represent a polynomial equation in the form of linked list. That too we are implementing using single linked list. Why we are calling as single linked list means each and every node consists of only one pointer. By using the pointer, we are pointing to next node address. Means we can travel in only one direction. So this is the representation of polynomial. So now we are going to discuss about how to perform an addition operation with the polynomials. Okay, say for suppose this is a one polynomial. The polynomial is 5 into x to the power of 4, 3x squared plus x plus 1. Say this is a one polynomial. So polynomial 1. We have taken one more polynomial, that is polynomial 2. So in the polynomial 2, 3x cube x square plus 1. 3x cube plus x square plus 1. So whenever we want to perform addition operation in between these two polynomials, what we have to do is, first, in the first polynomial highest coefficient is 4. means that this is the fourth degree polynomial. This is the fourth degree polynomial. Here in the second polynomial, highest degree is 3. So this is third degree polynomial. So here fourth degree is not presented. What we have to do? Simply copy this value as it is into resultant polynomial. Resultant polynomial. Next, third degree polynomial here not presented. Here third degree polynomial is there. Means x cube term. X cube term is not presented in the first polynomial. Second polynomial consists of x cube term. So simply copied the same into here. Next, here the next term is x square. Here the next term is x square. So when both the polynomials having same kind of exponent, just add the coefficients. Means what is the resultant term? 4x square. 4x square. Next, x term here not presented. So simply copy. X term is not presented. Here simply copy. So here only we are performing addition 3 plus 1. Next, here x to the power of 0 term is presented. Here also x to the power of 0 term is presented. So means 2. This is the way we are following addition of two polynomials. This is the way we are following addition of two polynomials. How we were performing the same kind of operation, how we are performing the same kind of operation on linked list. On linked list. We want to see right now. So, how to represent this polynomial? I am not assuming the addresses, just I am giving the outside representation. So, the coefficient is 3, exponent is 3. The next term is coefficient is 1, exponent is 2. The next term is coefficient is 1, exponent is 0. So, this is null. So, like that, two linked lists are there. Like that, two linked lists are there. Remember it. Here we are performing addition operation in between two linked lists. The first polynomial, first linked list. Second polynomial, second linked list. Whenever we are performing addition operation in between these two linked lists, we are getting one resultant linked list. We are getting one resultant linked list. Okay. So, the resultant linked list is, so how to perform it? So, the first polynomial means first linked list. This is the exponent. Coefficient, exponent, coefficient, exponent, coefficient, exponent, coefficient, exponent. Here also, coefficient, exponent, coefficient, exponent, coefficient, exponent. Why I am writing this means each and every time I am comparing exponent values. Exponent values are equal. Exponent values are equal. Then only I am adding two coefficients. If the exponents are not equal, which one is the maximum one that is copied into resultant linked list? So, I am starting the process. So, the first polynomial exponent is 4. The second polynomial exponent is 3. If both are equal or not? Not equal. Which one is the highest one? This one is the highest one. Means directly I am copied the values only. Copied the values only. Okay. So, 5, 4. In the next case. So, I am copying this term. So, this will be goes to next term. Okay. Next case. 2, 3. 2, 3. Which one is the maximum? 3 is the maximum. So, this one is copied. So, 3, 3. Go for the next node. So, at this time, this one is copied. This one goes to the next location. Next, 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2 means exponents are equal. Exponents are equal means we want to add the coefficients. So, 4. I am adding coefficients. 3 plus 1, 4. Exponent is copied. Exponent is copied. Close. So, at the time, both the terms are copied. This is copied, this is copied. This one moves to next location, this one also moves to next location. So, in the next time comparison, 1, 0, 1, 0. Which one is copied? 1 is the maximum one, that one is copied. So, 1, 1. Next. In the next case, what we have to do? So, this one is copied, this one moves to next location. So, at this time 0, 0. Both are equal. Both are equal. Means that what? So, 1 plus 1, 2. Exponent is copied. This one, null. Just try to observe this one same or not. Coefficient 5, 5. Exponent 4, 4. Coefficient 3, 3. Exponent 3, 3. Right. Coefficient 4, 4. Exponent 2, 2. Coefficient 1, 1. Exponent 1, 1. Coefficient 2, 2. Exponent 0, 0. So, this is the algorithm we are defining for performing addition operation in between two polynomials. So, how to write a code for this? Just we want to know at this time. Just remember the algorithm carefully. What is the algorithm? So first, each and every time we need to check exponent values. If the exponent values are equal, coefficients are added and copied into the resultant node. Suppose if it is not equal, what we have to do? Maximum 1 is copied into the resultant linked list. So that is the case. I am doing it right now. So void add. Void add means it returns nothing. Add is a function. It takes two linked list as an argument. So that's why the first argument is struct p node star h1, means that header node address or starting node address of the first linked list. Next, struct p node star of h2. This is the starting node address of the second linked list. So first, what we have to do? One special case. What is a special case is, if both the linked lists are empty, what we have to do? Simple, the resultant linked list is also empty. We need to check. So if h1 double equal to null, logical and h2 double equal to null, what you have to do? The resultant linked list means printf both are empty. Okay. So here I want to say the resultant linked list. For that I need one node address. Say this is the resultant linked list. Resultant linked list starting node address is h3. Resultant linked list starting node address is h3. Okay. So the next, what we have to do? Next, else if. What is the case? Say in these two linked lists, say maybe one is empty, another one is not empty. What we have to do? Say h1 is equal to null. H1 is equal to null. Means H2 is equal to not null. H2 equal to not null. What is the case? What is the case? Simply H3 is equal to H2. H3 is equal to H2. Means the second linked list is the resultant linked list also. Suppose other case, else if. Other case means what? Suppose H2 is equal to null. H2 is equal to null. The resultant linked list, say H3 is equal to H1. In this case, no need to do addition operation. Why? Because 10 plus 0, 10. 0 plus 20, 20. So no need to perform addition. Directly you can assign the value 20. Okay. Next, both the linked lists are not empty. Then only we will go for merge or addition operation. Merge or addition operation. So what we have to do? So I need two temporary pointers to travel in the linked list. I need two temporary pointers to travel in the linked list. So for that, so struct p node star x is the first temporary pointer for first linked list, y is the second temporary pointer for second linked list. So I need to copy x is equal to h1, y is equal to h2, y is equal to h2. Okay. So what we have to do? So first, while, so up to what extent you have to do this process? Means x not equal to null, x not equal to null, logical and y not equal to null. Up to that we need to check. Means null means when it reaches to null. When it is reaches to null means the last node address is null. Okay. So x not equal to null, y not equal to null. Up to that we will try. We will try. Okay. So first we need to check if so what you have to do? X of exponent is equal to y of exponent. What we have to do? X of exponent is equal to y of exponent. What we have to do? Means that here I am invoking insert at end function. Insert at end function. But here a small change is insert at end function I am passing header node address also. For insert at end function I am passing header node address also. So carefully listen. So both the exponents are equal. What we have to do? What we have to do? Both the exponents are equal. Just I am adding the coefficient. So insert at end function, I am passing h3. h3 is my resultant node address, h3, and after that I am passing coefficient. Coefficient value is x of coefficient plus y of coefficient. X of coefficient plus y of coefficient, and I can pass either x exponent or y exponent, not both. So I am passing x exponent. So these are the values I am passing only. So this is the coefficient value, this is the exponent value. Close. So both the values are copied. What you have to do? Means x is equal to x of next. X is equal to x of next. Similarly, y is equal to y of next. Y is equal to y of next. This is the code I am written for if case. This is the code I am written for if case. What is the case? Means that if both the exponents are equal. Suppose exponents are not equal. What happens? So we need to check else if. We need to check else if. So what you have to check? So which one is greater? So x of exponent is less than y of exponent. In that case, what happens? Which one is the maximum one? Y of exponent is the maximum one. So what I have to do? Insert at end function. I need to pass header address, say h3, and after that I need to pass y of coefficient and y of exponent. So what is the term I am copying? Y. Means in that location only I have to move for next term. So y is equal to y of next. Y is equal to y of next. Suppose not the case. What I have to do? Say else. So this is condition is failed. X of exponent is maximum. So insert at the end of h3 comma. Insert at end h3 comma. So what I have to do? So x of coefficient, x of exponent is copied. So else is closed. So this process is iteratively while is closed. So until null, this process is common. Until null, this process is common. So after that, what is the process? After that, what is the process is, if both the linked list are going to empty case or not, we need to check. Suppose x is ended, y is not ended. Means y having some remaining terms. Y terms I have to copy. Suppose y is empty, x is not empty. Means x remaining terms I have to copy. So that is the case I am doing right now. So x not equal to null. X not equal to null means that x not reaches to null. Means some x terms are pending. Means I have to copy insert at end function with h3 comma x of coefficient comma x of exponent. This is the two. So x terms are copied. X is equal to x of next. X is equal to x of next. Suppose that is not the case. What I have to do? So y not equal to null or not. I have to check. Suppose y not equal to null. What I have to do? So insert at end of h3 y of coefficient y of exponent I am passing. Y is equal to y of next. Y is equal to y of next. So up to this else is closed. Main. So this is the case of how to perform addition in between two polynomials with single linked list representation. One time I am going to summary. So the first case is both the linked lists are empty, the resultant linked list is also empty. Suppose the first linked list is empty, the resultant polynomial is second polynomial only. Suppose the first linked list is empty, second linked list is empty, first polynomial is the resultant polynomial. If both the linked lists are not empty, means I need to check. So both are going to last node or not. That's why I am putting the condition x not equal to null, y not equal to null. In that case only it is entered into the loop. So each and every time I am checking exponents are equal or not. If the exponents are equal, I need to add both the coefficients and I want to insert into the resultant linked list. So that's why I am passing head node also. In that case, two linked list I am moving forward direction. Suppose not equal, what I have to do? Which one is the maximum? In this case, y is the maximum. That's why I am copying y coefficient and y exponent. Y term is moving. Means y linked list we are moving into the forward direction. Suppose this condition is false. Means that x is the maximum. That's why x of coefficient is I am passing. X of exponent I am passing. So x term I have to move. So x is equal to x of next. X is equal to x of next. Suppose this condition is false. But this condition false because of x is empty or y is empty. If both are empty, it's fine. Suppose x is empty, y is not empty. Y remaining terms are there. That's why this loop. Suppose reverse case. X is not empty, y is empty. Means I need to copy x terms. This is the case. So at the end, the resultant polynomial with h3 node. So here we need to display all the H3 terms. Means by using H3, the resultant linked list we have to display. By using H3, the resultant linked list we have to display. This is the addition of two polynomials. Thank you.